I'm Dave from Dynobike, and sitting here is a Triumph Trident 660. This is a 2021 model. We've been working on it for the last 2 or 3 weeks to find the restrictions and remove them and then tune it to suit, which we have successfully done, and I'm just finishing it off now pretty much. So we had 50 horsepower with this bike, which had a full system on it. I suspect probably without the full system it's probably around the 45 horsepower mark, much like all the others. De-restricted, as I said, it's got 80 horsepower now. We've also tuned it. Fuel and ignition has been adjusted, and of course there's no longer any restrictions in it. So if you're thinking, well, what about the throttle assembly? Do we need to replace that? If you're coming here, no, you don't need to replace the throttle grip assembly. We can remove all the restrictions quite safely and very effectively by flashing the ECU for you. I guess that's about it. What more can I say? Thanks for watching. I'm Dave from Dynobike.